Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. So I hope you're all doing well today. Today I just wanted to do a couple of shop shares, and these are digitals, and it is 2 Christmas kits. So I know I will definitely be making a couple of Christmas journals using each of these kits. So I just wanted to share these with you guys real quick. So this one right here is Rachel at Roxycreations' newest digital kit. It is her Christmas kit. And this right here, if you see how vibrant that is, I actually printed this on the Epson premium presentation paper. I did do it on the single side, and on the other side, I printed out some coffee dyed paper. But this coffee dyed paper is actually the one that's in T-Net Shabby Dabby Doodah's kit, Mandarin Mellows, yeah. Mandarin Meadows, yes. Because I really liked it, so I used her coffee dye to back the back of them. But you can see how vibrant and pretty these colors are on that presentation paper. It's absolutely stunning, and it's a beautiful kit anyway, and would look good either way, but I just wanted to share with you guys that. I also wanted to share with you guys, I know a lot of places you look and that Epson presentation paper is pretty expensive. So I just checked, and on Amazon, they have for $9.99, they have I believe it's the 50-pack of double-sided for $9.99. But when I got mine, and I have, of the single side, I believe I have 6 packs and 4 packs of the double-sided Epson premium presentation paper. But I had not gotten mine from Amazon. I actually got it from this company, and they are based in New York, and it's B&H. Now right now they do have theirs double-sided 50 sheets for $9.99, so that is pretty much the same price as Amazon right now. However, when I got mine, B&H had it on sale for $4.99 a pack, so that's pretty much half price of the sale price that Amazon has it for right now, and it's regularly $14.99. But if you keep a check on this B&H, and they did super fast shipping, and I may have at the time gotten free shipping, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, you guys can just save this B&H, and just keep a check back, because I believe it was last week I had went over here and was looking around and glanced at some stuff, and they did have this on sale for $4.99 a pack. So you can catch it there for $4.99 a pack instead of the $9.99, so that's like half price. So I did just want to share that little bit of information with you guys, because I had a really good experience with my order, and I bought, like I said, 10 packs altogether, 6 of the regular and 4 of the double. So let's get into Rachel's beautiful kit. So we will just show you the pages in the kit, and again, this is her newest Christmas kit, and they are printed on that Epson presentation paper. This is just a beautiful Christmas kit. So, of course, I was over there, and I actually saw the video and had to run over there and get it. Look at the little kitty down here. How cute is that? So, these papers are going to make a beautiful journal, and I can't wait, guys, because this will be my first year doing Christmas journals, so I am really excited. And like I said, I do have 2 lined up with these 2 kits that I'm sharing. So we'll have this one from Rachel at Roxycreations, and this is the last page on that one. And then the ephemera kit is loaded. I mean, these are 2 separate kits, and I did buy both of the ephemera kits because they were too cute to just only get one. But this is just going to be a beautiful journal using these pages. And on these right here, I believe she said in her video it took her a little bit longer to do them and get them ready, because if you'll look, she's actually layered around the outside, so you don't fussy cut right up to it. You come out some, so it already has that border around it right here, so you just fussy cut around there. So she even took the time to do that and have some that's got little, designs or something on the back of it. And she did these as well. You can see the little border around it. And then these. And the Santa. Yeah, how cute that is. And then she did the same thing with the flowers. And all of these. And these are just, the ephemera pages are just printed on regular cardstock. I believe it was from Michael's. I had gotten it when they had it on sale. So that is Rachel's kit. And then this was just my divider, y'all. I was checking out my snowman stamp. Getting it juiced up and ready to go. So this second kit is from Steph at JunkwithSteph. This is a Christmas kit that she put out. And this is printed on just regular copy paper. I believe this is the one that you can get at Walmart. It's pretty cheap. I believe it's 24 pounds, I believe. It may be 26, but I think it's 24. 96 bright, something like that. But you could get like a pack of 500 for less than $7. So this is her kit, and this is an actual, I mean, it's a beautiful kit. So Rachel's kit, I actually backed it with coffee dye, but this kit, since it had a lot of the pinks in it, I actually backed it with Denise at Wonderbar Crafts avocado dyed digital that's in her shop. So this one actually has a lot of pinks in it, so it's going to be more on the pink side, and you guys know how I love my pink. And I've just got different sheets of her digital that I printed on the back of these. And Steph, this is a beautiful kit as well. So this will be the other journal. Look at how pretty those are. And we got this one. But these are going to make a beautiful Christmas journal. And then this right here is the ephemera pack. I believe, was this just one kit or two? Guys, I've done got confused. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the, nope, it's one kit because it says large ephemera pack. And it is huge, guys. Lots and lots of goodies in here. You got tags and journaling cards and tickets and all kinds of pockets. And then there's a envelope. And then some more tags. Then here we have some tucks, corner tucks, some well tails. Another pocket there. And I ended up printing out 2 of these, and yeah, I don't even know why. Maybe I just liked it so much I wanted to print 2. Got this one. And then this one here. But yeah, it is a large kit. I guess I could have went around and turned them all around the right way, couldn't I? And I believe this is called JJ with Joy. Huge pocket there. Another pocket. It looks like a little time card. But yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous. It's going to make a beautiful Christmas journal. Got everything you need right here. Not going to need much of anything else. Oop, did it again, guys. Those. And then these little, cut that out right there, I believe is what we'll be doing with that. A couple of other little envelopes. But yeah, this kit is just full of yumminess. And these, I have not backed these yet because I literally spent about an hour, I guess it was. So that is my 2 shop shares. I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what I was looking at as far as at least 2 of my journals for Christmas. Again, I am really, really excited about doing a couple of Christmas journals. So you guys go on over and check out Rachel at Roxycreations and Steph at JunkwithSteph on Etsy. And we will just wrap it up today. This will just be a little quick bonus video that will air on Friday, September 26th. So you guys have a nice evening. Please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.